And we move on to more breaking news coming in, where the death toll has now risen in that Delhi building collapse. 4 more bodies have been recovered from under the debris as rescue operations are on in full swing. The building that collapsed in Delhi's Seelampur, where the death toll has now mounted to 6. 4-story building that collapsed in northeast Delhi. The building had collapsed in Delhi's Welcome area. Those are the pictures on your screens as rescue operations are underway, but the very many challenges that the rescue teams face, given how these wires that are closely in between the building and the debris, and it is important that even the rescue teams that stay safe. Anmol Bali joining us live with further details of how the death toll has unfortunately risen. Anmol, what is the status of the rescue operations at the moment?
As you know, today in the morning around 7 a.m. Delhi Fire Services has received a call about collapse of a 4-story building in Delhi's Seelampur area, around the Welcome area of northeast Delhi. And we're seeing that around 7 fire tenders and rescue team has rushed at the site where many people have been rescued. But earlier around 2 people were reported dead, but now 4 bodies have been retrieved from the debris at the site where the building has collapsed. And we have also seen that Minister Kapil Mishra also reached there, and various other senior officers from police, fire services and other rescue teams have reached there. And even we have seen the visuals of people forming a human chain to rescue people, those who were trapped. And according to Delhi Fire Services, around 8 to 10 people have been rescued. But yes, 2 plus 4 now which have been retrieved from the debris, and around 6 people have lost their life in this collapse.
All right, Anmol, many thanks for getting us those details. And just to give you a sense of what happened this morning, exactly like Anmol said, so far 8 people have been rescued after that 3-story building that collapsed this morning. This happened in northeast Delhi in Welcome area. The incident that occurred at around 7 in the morning, and the cause of the collapse of that building is yet to be determined. Delhi Fire Service Chief has confirmed that the collapse took place in gully number 5, Janta Colony near Eidgah Road in Seelampur. Among those rescued were a 14-month-old boy, 3 women and 4 men. The adults were taken to JPC Hospital while the child is being treated at GTB Hospital. Locals say a family of 10 who lived in that building and many nearby morning walkers acted as first responders, helping rescue victims before emergency teams could arrive. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has offered a probe into the incident, and the DM has been asked to submit a report.
सुबह करीब 7:15 साढ़े 7 के बीच ही कॉल है। इसमें ये गली नंबर 5 जनता कॉलोनी वेलकम में एक बिल्डिंग गिर गई। 3 मंजिला बिल्डिंग थी, उसकी 2 माले कोलैप्स हो गए। ये मतलूब नाम के व्यक्ति की बिल्डिंग थी। इसमें इस बिल्डिंग सामने वाली बिल्डिंग को भी थोड़ा डैमेज किया है। इसमें 7 लोगों को अभी तक रेस्क्यू कर लिया है, और अभी पुलिस की, फायर की, सिविल डिफेंस और नागरिक सुरक्षा समिति की टीम लगी हुई थी। कुछ मलबा निकाल के ईदगाह की साइड में रखा हुआ है, और अभी एनडीआरएफ की टीम आ गई है जो सर्च ऑपरेशन अब उन्होंने चला रखा है। जल्दी बाकी जो फंसे उनको रेस्क्यू कर रहे हैं।
एमसीडी की लापरवाही भी है, लेकिन ये एशिया का सबसे घनी आबादी वाला क्षेत्र है पूरे एशिया का, तो वो घनी आबादी होने की वजह से मकान छोटे हैं, वो होती है दिक्कत। लेकिन ये हादसा है भूकंप और बारिश इसकी बड़ी वजह रही है कि जब यही भाजपा सरकार इल्जाम लगाती थी, जब अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार थी, कि मुख्यमंत्री मंत्री सब एसी कमरों में बैठे, कोई आ नहीं रहा। आज देखो सुबह कई घंटे इस हादसे को हो गए हैं, अभी तक कोई मंत्री, मुख्यमंत्री, उनका कोई सांसद, कोई किसी ने आगे क्षेत्र के अंदर नहीं देखा है अभी तक। ये दुखद है ये बहुत।